Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for Coal Capital Markets. So 2022 came to a close with a rebound in the Hang Seng Index. Let's take a look at our outlook for 2023 in Hong Kong's blue chip stock index. Asian stocks closed the year out with a rally as the COVID rules were scrapped in China and Hong Kong. The first quarter may be slow, but look for the indices to gather steam as economic data catches up. In the HK50, we can see on the monthly chart that support has been found in a strong zone between 16,000 to 18,000. The index may look to consolidate recent gains and dip, but the low could be in place for 2023. Morgan Stanley analysts are now overweight on Asian emerging market stocks versus developed markets from being more confident that a new bull cycle is beginning. Nomura analysts also see the expected recessions in the West allowing Asia to outperform as stocks provide cheaper variations and a better fundamental outlook. For growth in the year ahead, Goldman Sachs sees potential Chinese growth of 4.5% in 2023 compared to 3.3% in 2022. Meanwhile, Morgan Stanley estimates that gross domestic product growth will be 5.4% in 2023. Those estimates were made before the recent reopenings. Hong Kong followed China by dropping almost all its COVID restrictions. Visitors will no longer have to do mandatory PCR tests. The vaccine pass system will also be scrapped, but compulsory masks in public places will continue. This is a dramatic move for the city, which will impact the global economy. One headwind for Hong Kong may be the US dollar peg to the HK dollar. Some are questioning whether it's time to stop importing US economic policies. Hong Kong is now more synchronized with China. Still, Hong Kong's interest rates rose from 0.5% to 4.75% following the US Federal Reserve, when the city's economy was weak and China was in lockdown. Investors need to remember the more significant macro issues surrounding the peg for the year ahead and focus on buying top Hong Kong stocks at these valuations. Traders can also gain by looking for upside rallies with more critical Chinese economic data. Well, that's the latest weekly report for Coal Capital Markets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.